Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so excited because we are about to do a lot of cleaning today. We're going to do a grocery haul, and I'm so excited to share with you guys one of my new favorite cleaning products that I've recently discovered, and that is this Chemical Guys Hyper Shield Total Home Antibacterial Disinfectant Cleaner. It has such a light and fresh scent. They are partnering with me on today's video, but I've been trying out this cleaner for a couple of weeks now. I've used an entire bottle and I'm on to my second one. I've been using it behind the scenes because I haven't been able to share it yet, but I'm so excited to be able to finally share it. I love it for all things bathroom, and it leaves a streak-free finish on appliances. So many different uses for this cleaner, so let's just get on into our cleaning for the night and I'll show you guys some of the different uses.
Close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right.
So I am going to be doing a grocery haul a little bit later in this video, so I was kind of putting some things away from that. We had also had dinner, and I swear our house just looks like this every single night when we are done with dinner, but especially on tonight. We had karate and we were just gone and stuff like that, but I wanted to get a really good clean of the stove and just the kitchen area. The Hyper Shield does a great job on the stove. It is a streak-free finish and it just does really good with all of the grease, and it's also really good for disinfecting just some different surfaces that I want to focus on that maybe are high traffic or that we're always touching a lot and putting things from going places on, like the laundry area. It does a good job on the counters. Wanted to clean underneath my trash cans with this. This cleaner is a good disinfectant, but it doesn't have that overpowering smell of a disinfectant, if you know what I'm saying. It has a good, just light scent, which I love because I cannot stand disinfectants where they just like hit you and almost make you choke. This one is just very light and fresh and just makes your house smell so clean.
Night ends, yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough.
This cleaner effectively kills 99.9% of common household germs. It kills cold and flu viruses and kills household bacteria.
I would have it undone, no, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind, the blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it, hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it, hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me.
I know I've mentioned this before, but I have truly no idea how we always end up with so many clothes around our house. They're just always everywhere, and it's just honestly hilarious to me. I just end up basically collecting a whole entire laundry basket walking around the house. Everyone's always just changing clothes, or I'm changing the babies and just throwing their clothes on the rug. We used to have changing tables when we had one child, and then after 4 kids, this is just how it is. They get changed on the rug and there's just clothes everywhere. This cleaner works amazing on appliances as well. You're gonna see that there's absolutely no streaks whenever I'm done, and it looks so good, which I love finding new stainless cleaners because with kids, they're always fingerprinted up.
I'm not proud, it was just a mistake, you should know that.
So I didn't know, but the dishwasher was already dirty, which actually makes me really excited because then I don't have to unload things and put them away. Kyle had already done that for the day. I love this little scrub brush that I got from Grove, but if there's a lot of food, I have to just go to a sponge because otherwise food is just getting stuck in there. So I had a lot of dishes to do and a lot that ended up having to get hand washed. As you can see, we did not do dishes all day. We normally have to run it twice in a day if we want to not have to hand wash a ton of things, but we were just really busy today. I was actually filming a other video, a whole house clean with me. I don't know which one of these will be up first, but that one took me all day to film. Then I had said we had karate, the kids were playing outside, we had a really fun family day. I wanted to spray some of this in the sink and just let it sit while I was doing the counters, and then I did go back in and rinse it because sinks are very, very nasty. There's so many germs in there, and just thinking about all the dirty dishes sitting in there, and we're washing our hands in there, the sponges are sitting in there, just so many nasty things. And another thing I wanted to share with you guys is their hand sanitizer, which for one smells so good. It's a pear scent, and it also doesn't make your hands feel sticky or nasty. It just dries and it goes away really well, and I noticed it made my hands still feel soft and not dry or anything like that, which I hate with a lot of hand sanitizers when it just feels like there's a residue on your hands. This is one of the high traffic areas I was talking about that I wanted to disinfect, so I did let that sit, and then I went in and wiped that. And I really want to get some little baskets for in these. People keep telling me to get them, I just can't find the right sizes, so I'm looking for some little baskets for each person to have a shoe basket, because I've honestly given up on everyone having one pair of shoes in here, and it just looks ridiculous because the kids go between 2 and 3 pairs of shoes, as do I, and we just need a bin. I'm gonna be looking for some little baskets for there, and then I wanted to go in and really quickly steam mop. I've been loving just steam mopping almost every night. It's just so quick, it doesn't take long, and I don't have to, you know, get out the mop and do that whole situation, and it's just very quick and easy because my floors stay sticky. They just stay sticky no matter what. Somebody's always spilt something, food, the dog going in and out with his paws. It just always needs to be done.
No, we don't like to talk. We're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk.
And this, my friends, is why they told me not to put the dog bed in the washer. If you watched one of my last videos, I was talking about how it said not to put the dog bed in the washer. However, I went against that because I just was trying to be in a hurry, and so our dog bed is now lopsided, and I feel like I need to just order a new bed that is washable. So if you have any good washable dog bed recommendations, send them my way because Charlie is in need of a not lopsided dog bed. And then I wanted to go into the playroom, and I get a lot of crap sometimes for cleaning up my kids' toys, but they're all very little and they do help me clean up their toys. However, if I'm wanting to like go in and organize and put things back, they had a friend over the other day and they pretty much took everything out. I let them and I got it all down for them, and they had a really good time playing, but I wanted to kind of get it back organized. I know I don't need to explain that, but I just feel like when I want it to get organized, I really need to go in there and either help or just kind of do it, and then they can more just pick up in between, if that makes sense.
Feeling trapped down on the floor, I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold, I can't let it go. Chin up, no
Back from Walmart, and this stuff is definitely not organized. My hauls are always just everywhere because we get home, we try to get this stuff quickly put away, and the kids start tearing into stuff. So I got these, the boys can have them, and Emmett already had one, he loved it. So that's nice. This is actually not that much cheese this week. Not as much as usual, just a bag of Fiesta blend. I'm gonna make enchiladas and pepper jack for Kyle's lunch. These are also for his lunch. The boys love sandwiches. A lot of yogurt. These are for me and Kyle, and then these are for the kids. Ellery actually likes these too, even though they're dairy free. If you eat dairy free or have kids dairy free, these are great. one bag of veggies. I tried to get 3 and they gave me 1, so oh well, not mad about it. I'll just eat frozen broccoli when we want to have broccoli for dinner. 2 things of strawberries, and it looks like I need to quickly get these cut up because they look like they've seen better days and I'm afraid they're gonna go bad. And then the boys tried this soup last time I got a Walmart order, and I got 3 cans because they all liked it. Just a quick thing to throw together, heat up. Now he's asking for soup. 3 things of almond milk because we're going through almond milk so quickly these days. I got these for myself. They are really good. I'm a huge chip person, but you can have 30 of these for 150 calories, so they're not bad at all, and they taste like chips. Some apple banana pouches for Ellery. Some of this, which I really hope I don't regret this. I've heard so many people say it's good, but I don't know. This kind of sketches me out getting it in here, but people say it's good. We'll see how that goes. Some diced peaches. Emmett loves these. Some water flavoring. I have some more over there, actually. See, this is not organized at all. Some carb balanced tortillas. We use these for everything. I'm gonna make enchiladas, wraps for sandwiches and stuff like that. Some sugar-free jellos. These are really good if you just want something sweet. I sometimes will crumble up some of a like protein cookie, different things, and put them in that. Kyle mixes these actually with the Too Good yogurt too, and kind of makes like a chocolate thing. Some apples, cinnamon rolls for the kids. All this is kid snacks. This is for us, sugar-free heavy whipping cream. Again, sometimes we put that on the jello or just like some strawberries as a treat. Pancakes, these are Ellery's go-to breakfast, and now Easton, he loves them so much. These are for the boys. They love Pop-Tarts, and we actually haven't had Pop-Tarts in a little bit. Some hot dogs. The boys love grilled hot dogs. When we do burgers, we actually just did that for lunch. Some more water flavorings, more almond milk. These the kids love for like a quick snack, like after school type thing. Same with these, and these are something the boys can have that they all love. Easton and Emmett love these strawberry grain bars. Some chicken. Kyle brings these in the afternoon for a snack. They're just these protein cookies. Some drinks, a cherry Coke Zero. I'm like on a kick of cherry drinks right now. A big thing of Parmesan because I feel like we're always running out. Some Lily's white chocolate chips, so good. And I got this to try, the Birch Benders. I like their brownie. I got this cookie to try and I was pumped because they had it. Bananas, and there's no telling. Bananas will either go bad in our pantry or they'll get eaten in a day. There's no in between. The enchilada sauce that I like to use. Some Jell-O cups, the kids love these. And some cereal. Now we are going to go in and clean the boys' bathroom. I wanted to clean their bathroom with this again to disinfect and clean some surfaces because boys' bathrooms, no explanation needed there.
But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. And face it another day. We go bottoms up.
Someone told me that you can put these in the dishwasher, and I would have never thought to put them in the dishwasher, so let me know if you guys do that, but they do get kind of gross, and I usually just try and wipe them down, but maybe I'll have to try that out. And then I wanted to just do a quick wipe down of the tub, and again, I was letting certain things sit, certain things I wasn't, just kind of depending on what I really wanted to fully disinfect. And this tub was not too dirty. I try to wipe the tubs down every single week at least to avoid them getting super nasty, and then I have to really scrub them.
We just wanna feel that rush. Losing track of time, but that's so typical of us.
Wanted to go in kind of on my hands and knees and just wipe down the baseboards, the floors, all of that. And when I tell you, the bathroom smelled so fresh after this. It just smelled so clean throughout the entire boys' room, and Eli actually had come in and was like, my room smells so good. I thought it was so cute. He loves when I clean their bathroom and their room. All of my kids actually really appreciate when I clean, and they always tell me thank you for cleaning. I think it's so funny, and I try to make it a point to tell them thank you if they clean, because it does mean a lot to me when they clean and kind of help out, because let me tell you, it takes a lot to keep a house running with 6 people in it. I've noticed, actually 7, because Charlie definitely counts. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out that Chemical Guys Hyper Shield Cleaner down below. I know you guys will absolutely love it as a disinfectant, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.